I have seen a lot tutorials on YouTube about connecting Ollama to n8n, but honestly, not a single one worked for me out of the box. So welcome to another episode of my Another Day, Another AI Automation series. Today I will walk you through how to actually set up n8n with Ollama-hosted models and run everything locally, even with AMD GPU support. So here how you do it. It's time for step-by-step guide now. First, clone the repo. Clone the self-hosted AI starter kit repo. This will download the starter kit code to your machine. Go to the project directory, navigate to the folder with all the files. Then copy the example environment file. This create your local.env file. Make sure to edit this file to set your own secrets and passwords. Then start the stack with AMD GPU support. This spin up everything optimized for AMD GPUs so you can run local AI models more efficiently. And now it's time to run it live. To run it live, simply just open your browser and go to localhost 567s to access the n8n UI. From here, you can start building your workflows using your locally hosted Ollama models. But wait, yes, I'm here. But wait, the video is not end yet. So yes, it works. You will get n8n running with Ollama hosted models on your local machine. But here is the truth. The response speed is super slow. I don't recommend this setup for any production or business critical use case. It's perfect if you want to experiment, learn or build POC, but if you need fast inference, this is not it. If you want ultra fast AI performance inside n8n, you need to use SambaNova's hosted models. Check out my video on how to connect SambaNova-hosted open source models in n8n and experience the world's fastest inference speed. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you like this. And if you need any help, I'm always happy to help. Thank you so much and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next one.